Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. My name is Anik, and I'm here to take you on the journey into the world of fashion. I love fashion, and I hope you do too. And if you don't, I'm just here to share what I've learned with you, and that in hope that you have better information when you make your purchasing decision. So today, I wanted to talk about Bottega Veneta. We just learned that Daniele, the creative director of Bottega, is leaving, and very soon be at the end of 2022, sometime in the next year. But for those who do not know, Daniele joined the Maison in 2018. He never worked as a creative director before. So in the past, he was working under the wing of the lady at Celine. Bottega just announced in 2018 that they had this fresh British designer at the realm of the very old Maison, as we know. And Daniele brought something very, very particular because since he joined the Maison in 2018, we start seeing Bottega everywhere. You know, the green Bottega, the green shoes, the green bag, the green ensemble, the green box. You know, we saw the Bottega green everywhere. A lot of his designs, because whether it was a remake of the Intrecciato, I can't really pronounce that name, bear with me, but you know, the purse with so many layers of leather. I can't really pronounce it, but they have the Jodi, the model, the Jodi. I'm talking about the Jodi purse, if you know that. So that's what Daniele did. He revamped old design, but at the same time, he brought a very, very fresh taste to the Maison that Bottega became so mainstream. It's everywhere. We love Bottega. And when I learned that he was leaving, I'm like, oh my God, what is gonna happen? Right? Is he launching his own Maison? What is he doing? We don't know yet. But I want to take this opportunity to review one of my favorite Daniele design. And this is none other, give me a second. Here you go. This is none other than the Stretch Sandal. I love this shoe. First of all, let's talk about the box. As I mentioned, this is the Bottega green. Every time you see this green, think of Daniele and what he has brought to the Maison Bottega, because he revolutionized this color. Hermes and the orange, Tiffany and the blue, right? Who else? Louis Vuitton and the brown, right? But we have Bottega and the green, right? This is something that will outlive Daniele, even if he leaves Maison Bottega. Ingenious of him to find a color that will resonate with so many people and just stick to it. So the box is very beautiful. I've had these sandals for a couple of months now. I've worn it so many times. And I invest in a pair of shoes. Trust me, I'm gonna get my money worth it. I am gonna wear it everywhere that I get the chance to. So that's what I did with the stretch sandal. And it was a journey. It was really a journey to get it. You do not know, I live in Canada. And here, sometimes we have very, very limited color. And we have to rely, if you want something really good, you have to either shop on the website, and sometimes they're out of sizes, or you can go to a retailer like Essence, but you have to rely on the buyers of Essence to bring the color that you want, which typically doesn't really happen because they have to bring color that fits the whole essence of Essence. Ooh, I like that. Did you hear that? They have to bring colors that fit the essence of Essence. Ooh, I like that. Anyhow, so it's very difficult to find colors, different colors that you probably see in Europe and everything like that. So when I saw the stretch sandal, immediately I thought, this is beautiful. It was ingenious. It was something that we had never seen before. But the problem is I couldn't find it in Canada. Well, there was, rewind. I should say that I could find it, but not the color that I wanted. So they had the black and the beige, and that's not really resonated with me. So when I saw the stretch sandal, I thought, what should I get, in terms of color. And I saw the green everywhere. The Bottega green was everywhere. I was like, oh, this is so beautiful. And I saw the red. I didn't quite enjoy it until I saw, drum roll, I'm gonna show you though, the yellow stretch sandal. When I saw this color, I can't remember where. Actually, I know. It was at Nordstrom. I saw it and I was like, oh, this is so beautiful. But again, I didn't quite buy it right away. I had to save up my money, right? A lady on the budget. And then it was sold out. And I went on different European websites. I still couldn't find it. And I had to contact the stylist with whom I work with out of Montreal, who was able to order them from Italy because they are sold out everywhere, right? So I was so happy when they came into the box in September. Actually, this was my birthday gift to myself. And I opened the bag and I put it on. I was like, yes. Sometimes you buy things and they don't quite resonate with you. For me, I've moved past that. I buy something, it has to speak with me. Right? And I had done research about Bottega Veneta. I had done research about Daniele, the designer, and there are so many other design of him that I like. I'm a shoe person, first of all. So before I got the purse, I had to get the shoe. And the stretch sandals spoke with me so much because it's ingenious. Look at that. So it's made out of mesh material. I don't know if you can see that. Right there. Mesh material. And the sole is all leather. But they did something very interesting in the back. Look at that, right? Typically, when you buy designer shoe, the sole, or la semelle, like we say in French, it's all leather, right? Here, yes, it's leather, but you also have some part of plastic. You see this? This is all plastic. And I think this is incredible because it reduces the shock. The more you walk, the less you feel the shoe, and it doesn't really hurt your shoes because, again, you have kind of sort of a cushion on the bottom here. The heel is about 375, I should say. It's not quite a 4-inch heel, but a little less than that. And look, it's super tiny here. Here, oh my God, look, my shoe is getting damaged a little bit. But I've worn it so many times inside, right? Oh, it's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. It's one of my purchases. I'm like, yes. And I think this is a purchase that will outlive, again, Daniele as he leaves Maison Bottega. Because every time you'll see this, you'll think of him, right? And the design that he has brought to Maison Bottega. If you are in Canada, if you want to get this pair of shoe, I believe what Renfrew has a model not quite similar because there's different model of the stretch. You have the open toe and you have the heel that's kind of like closed all over here, which I didn't really enjoy. Why I gravitate toward it in particular is because I like the lace. I think this is very sexy and I can wrap it around my legs and it just look good. It look good. Trust me, it look good. I'll try to put a photo on the screen here so you can see what I'm talking about. If you want all the different colors, you can get them on Bottega Veneta website. There's the red for all my ladies who love red. Red is my favorite color, but for this shoe, it didn't quite resonate with me. I think the yellow was my favorite color. And then the second favorite was the green, right? But the reason I didn't get the green, it's because I'm gonna purchase the Jody, the purse I mentioned earlier. I'm gonna purchase that in green or blue. So I didn't want to have too many green, right? Green shoes and then green purse. That's a little bit too much. My taste right now, it's very much deconstructed color, not the monotone look. I think we did the monochrome for so many years that after the pandemic, people gravitate towards colors, right? So rather than purchasing the black or the beige, if you're one of those people, yeah, they're a safe color and you always wear them, I'll suggest that you get something different. The yellow, the green, or even the red, see if it's something that you like. And yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna stop wearing it. It's fall now. I'm still wearing it. I still very much enjoy it, but the mesh is getting a little dirty right here in the back, as you can see. It's turning a little bit black there. But other than that, after I've worn it about 10 times now, it's still quite good. It's still quite good. Fitting. Does it fit to size? Definitely. I am a 39 Italian, and this is a 39 as well, as you can see. So it works well with me. Oh my God, I have some hair right there. I have some hair, but that's okay. That's okay. Anyhow, tell me in the comments what kind of design do you like from Bottega and from Danielle in particular, because again, Bottega is one of the hit brand right now. So tell me what you like, and when I get the next verse, I'll review it, and hopefully you'll learn something from me. Before I let you go, I'm gonna ask for you to subscribe, to turn that notification bell, and you know what? Come join me next time, or rewatch the videos and comment and let me know what you want to see, right? So if this is the kind of content you like, I'm experimenting right now, just let me know and I'll see what I can do. And hopefully you stay with me on this journey as I learn and as I grow. Mwah!